Good afternoon.
Thank you so much for being here with us and celebrating such a momentous occasion. And we're going to start with our program. So with that said, I also would be remiss if I do not mention and thank the dignitaries who are present or people who are representing. So we have Congressman John Duarte here. We have Bob Fellum, who's representing Congressman Tom McLeod. We have Narendra Baya, who is representing Senator Maria Morales. We also have Danielle Mogart, who is representing Assemblymember Juana Lagis. And we have our very own Mayor, Sue Swallen, Mayor Modesto. We also have our council member, Rosia Estudia Friedman. Our council member, Eric Alvarez. And our council member, Jeremiah Williams. We also have Cynthia Ruiz with the Ceres Unified School District. And we have Dr. Sarah Noguchi, Modesto City School Superintendent as well. We also have Dr. Shami Kareem with First 5 Stanislaus. Thank you so much.
Terry Withrow.
Yes.
Terry?
Supervisor Terry Withrow, and I have him listed on here as a speaker. Missed you, sorry. But I have him here tonight. So thank you so much. And with that said, we are delighted to introduce you to our chair for Golden Valley Health Center Board, Mr. John Priest.
So first off, thanks to everyone for being here. So for those in the know, this was a huge lift. This was a big undertaking, and I'm extremely proud of the Golden Valley team for pulling it off, and grateful for all their effort and work. I've been on the board of directors of Golden Valley 37 years, and this was kind of like the biggest change over things that have happened. I'm really proud of the team. We are about trying to get health care to people who don't have access to it. And not only health care, but great health care. And we're pulling it off in lots and lots of places. And I think it's 45 now, almost 150,000 patients, 600,000 patient visits a year throughout our network. So we're proud to have a bigger footprint in Modesto than before. And I think I'm just glad for the opportunity that we have to serve even more people in need. So with that, I don't have a script. Want to introduce to you our semi-brand new CEO that came on in May and inherited a hornet's nest because of all the activity that we have going on. And so introduce David Quackenbush.
Good afternoon. Typically, I don't really need to speak at these because John does such a good job. And the thing about John, and I'm not trying to make him blush, but he's board chair for 37 years, which is great. He's done a great job as board chair. But he has truly been an ally to the staff, and he's been an example for us to follow. So I don't want to just, blush over the fact that John's been with us so long, because he's truly helped us get to where we're at. My comments today are going to be a little different. You might not expect from a CEO, and our clinical leadership, who's actually done, our clinical leadership and our operations leadership has done all of the real work here. So so our clinical leadership will address that. I wanted just to make a couple comments, and John talked a little bit about this. So Golden Valley has 5 core values: collaboration, advocacy, integrity, innovation, and respect. And every one of those values came into play during and doing this transition. And it's kind of a weird spot to be in, because our staff are really, really committed, but they get so committed to a point where they really stress themselves out. And part of my job is to turn down the temperature. So we haven't done this before, but I want the staff to understand that no one's done this before. We took over this facility, the 3rd floor McHenry, with all the specialty care, and a residency program where we onboarded 32 residents, and we provided 1,800 visits in the first month. That is unheard of. And it's not that we just didn't do this. And it's not that we haven't done this before. We had less than 90 days to do it. No one's done that before. So part of my role, especially today, is I need to make sure the staff know that we understand the lift we did here. We understand the commitment and passion you have. And as John said, we are incredibly proud of every one of you that were part of it. And to make this happen, we probably hired and onboarded over 100 staff and providers. And because this is a residency program that we're very proud of, we've been part of, we have providers from all over our service area. We have, as John mentioned, we have 45 sites in 3 counties. We had our current providers trying to leapfrog each other to get here to be preceptors. So not only are we doing the residency program, it is literally something that our providers are very passionate about, that we want to give them every opportunity to participate. So I just want to remind everyone that what we did was a very, very big lift, and we're very proud of all of you. Our county colleagues, we appreciate the collaboration. We appreciate the opportunity. I don't think we would ever do it again. But we are very proud to be in this place we're in. And Dr. Janinski will come up next. But as we promised, because I take these things very seriously, the doors were never closed. We got the keys on the Friday before July. We opened July 1st. Every single service is still here, and we've even doubled a lot of the capacity. So we did what we said we're going to do, which is what Golden Valley does. And Dr. Janinski will provide a little more detail. So thank you, and thank you for being here.
Hi, thank you all so much for being here. My name is Carrie Janeski. I'm the Regional Medical Director that oversees this facility as well as the North Region of Golden Valley, which is all in Stanislaus and San Joaquin counties. I appreciate the introduction, David, and the opportunity to speak with you all today. On behalf of the providers, clinicians, and staff of Golden Valley Health Centers, we thank you for being here today in support of us. This is a very busy clinic. It has 39 exam rooms and 33 residents, 24 faculty physicians who attend and precept those residents, and another dozen physicians and providers who see patients outside of the residency clinic on the far side of the building. We've increased the number of specialties at this clinic and maintained all the ones that were already here. We've doubled our footprint in the Rainbow Clinic in service to the community. We've doubled our footprint in the number of obstetric visits available to the community in the residency clinic for the residents. We have added hospital follow-up visits as well as 2 full-time pediatricians to the building. We are very proud of the expanded access that we've brought to the community, and we plan to continue to grow. Operating a physician residency clinic is an enormous undertaking. As David said, it has taken the entire organization, all 3 counties, and hundreds of employees, every single department we have to pull this off, and it has been an amazing journey. We are all in on medical education as an organization, and this building is our keystone for all of our medical education programs. We're striving to strengthen the healthcare workforce to continue meeting the growing needs of the Central Valley communities that we serve. We are proud of all of our educational partnerships, and we are especially proud of the educational partnership we have with VCME, Valley Consortium for Medical Education, which hosts 33 resident physicians who train in this very building at the far end. Some of you may have even walked through those doors and seen one of those providers. We have one of them here with us today. In a residency program in their third and final year of training, they elect amongst themselves chief residents to serve in a leadership capacity. Our group has 3. One of them is Dr. Arthi Chezian, who is going to share some of her experience with you today.
Hello. Thank you guys for inviting me to this. I didn't know, so I have been here at BCME for, this will be my 3rd year. I'm actually not from the area, I'm from New Jersey, so when I heard that I was going to move to Modesto, I was not excited. I'm a city kid, so I was a little nervous. But then when I came here, I was very happily surprised at the community that I got to be a part of, not just in our residency program, but at this clinic as well, and at the hospital. And what I really loved about the experience is getting to see the same group of people in every single one of those spaces, both in times of sadness or distress, but also in times of joy. Something that's been really important to me is women's health, and that's something that I've had the opportunity to do a lot of here at this clinic and at the hospital, and being able to see the same people go through pregnancy, delivery, and then watching their kids grow up has been a really awesome opportunity for me, and I hope to continue that. Thank you for having me, and I hope to take care of you for the rest of this year as well.
We also have our Stanislaus County Board Supervisor, Terry Withrow, who has a message for us as well.
Good afternoon. Good to see everybody. We appreciate everybody being here. Sorry, these are my notes. You can tell I'm an accountant. You don't even see these anymore. The CPA does. But it's an honor to be here today on behalf of the Board of Supervisors to be a part of this grand opening. This is a big deal. It's a real big deal for us. In my mind, God puts us on this planet to make it a better place, right? I mean, that's what we're all here for. And I think that's what this is all about. As individuals, we look for areas where there's need, and then we try to fill that gap. We try to fill that need. We try to help those individuals. And that's what the county has done here for years and years. When you look at Stanislaus County, we are a county of about half of our population is either on Medi-Cal or Medi-Cal eligible. And that's a big deal. Out of 550,000 people, we have got a lot of people in need in this county. And as a county, over the years, we have done all we can to fill that need. It's our role to step up and do this. The goal for us as far as healthcare is to provide the best healthcare service we can over the years. That's what the county has done. And then to try to do it efficiently, to try to do this very efficiently. And things change, right? Over time, times change. Medicine has changed over the years dramatically. And with change, we have to change, right? As a county, and how we provide services, we have to change. So for us to give up one of our clinics and turn it over to someone is a big deal for us. We have a lot of great, hardworking individuals who have served this community for years and years. We had a hospital forever. We had the county hospital here in Stanislaus County out there on Scenic. We all know that. And I think it closed in 1997. And we turned that over at the time to doctors, to Tenet. And but again, it was all about trying to find the best care. Hey Bob, I didn't see you there. Good to see you. It's all about finding the best quality care that we can find at the most efficient way to deliver that. And that's why we did that at the time. And that was hard for us to do then. We have recently turned over more clinics. into the community, besides Golden Valley, Livingston Health. And again, our biggest concern, the biggest concern of our communities is, are we going to be able to provide the same service again? And just as good as quality service or better, and do it efficiently. So we opened this one, I think, back in 2001, 2002, I think is when this spot opened. So it's been a good run doing it. But like I said, medicine has changed. We have such a large population of Medi-Cal eligible or individuals here in our community. The funding has changed. How we fund CalAIM has come into play, and it's a big deal, which helps. And it's not only about physical health, it's about mental health, right? We need to provide both physical and mental health in this community. So for us to turn the keys over, so to speak, to this clinic, to Golden Valley, has not been something that we take very lightly at all as a county, because we're here to serve our community and protect our community, and to make sure they're getting the best health care they can get, again, at the most efficient. So we are very proud to work with Golden Valley. They have very much earned our respect in what they do in the community, and so we can't think of a better group to turn this over to. We think in the end we will have better, at least as good or better service than we had before. We will have more. I know our patients, the amount of appointments is much easier to get appointments than it was before, just because of our hard time of getting physicians, getting people to be here. It's critical to our residency program, and so again, we're very proud of Golden Valley. It's hard to turn these keys over, but we couldn't do it to find a better partner to do the collaboration that we've had with Golden Valley, how you've done this so quickly, and like you said, it was just seamless. We were out one day, you were in the next day, and we're just very proud of what you guys are doing. So, so on behalf of the Board of Supervisors, thank you guys for stepping in and doing this, and we know you're going to be superstars. And again, we are always here in the background watching. So anyway, again, honored to be here. Thank you guys very much, and congratulations on the opening.
Thank you so much, Supervisor. So what we're going to do now is we have special presentations. And I'm going to ask the executive team if they can join us right here, and also our board chair, John Price, if you want to come on. And we're going to ask Congressman John Duarte, who has a very special proclamation for us. Yes. A congressional record.
Thank you, Jonathan. Jonathan, hey, where's Amy?
I'm here.
The two of you. They're a couple of my frequent flyers in my congressional office. They're not only killing it out here for you, but they are. I think you've met with me in my office 3 times, maybe at least 3, and I always take time for them, because I know this is one of the incredibly important services that are delivered in the community here, affordable health care for everybody, and that's important. So we had a congressional resolution we submitted. I'd like to read the first paragraph, the first sentence of the second paragraph, otherwise we'll be here all day. Mr. Speaker, I rise today to recognize August 4th to 10th, 2024 as National Health Center Week. This annual celebration of events is sponsored by the National Association of Community Health Centers. National Health Center Week creates a valuable opportunity to showcase the work of community health centers and raise awareness in the communities served by federally qualified health centers. Every year, Golden Valley Health Center, GVHC, hosts various events centered around its patients and communities. These events commemorate National Health Center Week and highlight the commitment and passion of the community health center staff. Golden Valley Health Center is one of the largest community health centers in California and has been proudly serving the Central Valley communities for more than 50 years. I'll stop there. You get the idea. But thank you. It's wonderful to be here and be a part of this today. I know a lot of people that work at my company, a lot of people that live here in my part of Stanislaus County, which sometimes I describe people as, what part of Modestos is yours, what part of this and that, and I say, Generally, if it's in the county and it doesn't have sidewalks, that's in my district. So, you know, mine's a Hispanic Voting Rights Act district. It's 66% Hispanic, and it's got a demographic and a economic reality that Golden Valley Health Centers is such an important part of serving the needs of my constituents here in Stanislaus County, that I'll always take time for them, and I'm always glad to see you ladies back in DC, and maybe your new director here will bring you out too. Thank you very much, and it's an honor to be here.
And we also have a special presentation from our Congressman Tom McClintock with Bob Fellon, who's representing.
Now, we're the low-income congressman in this area, so we don't have the large, wonderful, but since I'm going through some medical things myself, I understand exactly what it means to get early treatment, early diagnosis. And if that's what will save lives and money for everyone in this county. So I just want to say thank you for having me here today. And what I have is a certificate of special congressional recognition presented to Golden Valley Health Center Clinic. And I was told to try to put Golden Valley Health Center Clinic, Modesto Paradise Clinic. I can't get it in one line. I really tried, but it just did not work. So presented the Golden Valley Health Center Clinic in recognition of the Chamber of Commerce membership. Congratulations on the grand opening of Modesto Paradise Clinic. Your commitment to our community and to the people of Modesto is greatly appreciated. I'm honored to celebrate this momentous occasion, August 6, 2024, signed by Congressman Tom McClintock, 5th District. So who should I give it to?
Give it to John.
She's going to make sure you smile. I appreciate it. Thank you.
And on behalf of Senator Maria Alvarado-Gil, we have Narinder Baya, who is going to present also a special proclamation.
Good evening, everyone. So on behalf of Senator Maria Alvarado-Gil and the California State Senate, Golden Valley Center is celebrating the grand opening of the Golden Valley Health Center Paradise Clinic in Modesto. And upon this occasion, Golden Valley Health Center is deserving of special public recognition and commendations for providing the virtual vital care to underserved population in the Central Valley region and expanding its healthcare services within the Modesto community. So thank you for all you do for our community. We appreciate all your hard work and dedication.
And now we have Danielle Mogart on behalf of Assemblymember Juan Alanis.
Well, thank you. Good afternoon, everyone. It's great to see everyone here. I was just telling Sierra, who's currently an intern in our office and is a great gift to our office, that I believe every single person we work with out in our community is here, and it just shows how important it is to our community. So I do have to apologize. I believe we were supposed to have a resolution. I have it on my phone. It's in Sacramento. But I do have a certificate here. So it's an honor on behalf of the California State Assembly and on behalf of Assemblyman Juan Alanis to both recognize the Golden Valley Health Center's Paradise Clinic as well as this week being National Health Center Week. So congratulations, and we look forward to seeing the community continuing to grow.
And we're going to call Supervisor Terry Withrow up again so that he can present proclamation on behalf of the county.
Thank you. I think I've said enough here already for everybody, but again, congratulations. We've got our certificates here too. We don't have the nice ones. We don't have the money everybody else. Again, we congratulate you guys, and we're honored to have you here. Thank you.
Thank you so much. And we have our Mayor, Sue Swallen, and our council members on the right.
Thank you very much for being here this evening. Some of you know, I'm a registered nurse and spent 42 years working in the emergency room. And the majority of that was here at Doctors Medical Center. So all the memories that were discussed, I remember very well, and I'm so proud of the health care that's provided here. This is profoundly impactful to our community and to every single patient that deserves care, treatment, and the support that you all provide here. So I'm so grateful to be here today. Congratulations presented to Golden Valley Health Center's Paradise Clinic on this day of August 6, 2024. On behalf of the Modesto City Council, I offer my congratulations on the grand opening and ribbon cutting of your new Paradise Clinic. I wish you all the best in the years ahead. Thank you very much.
Now we get to do the ribbon cutting with the giant scissors. So I am going to ask Modesto Chamber of Commerce CEO Trish Christensen and the Stanislaus Latino Chamber CEO Johnny Garcia to come out, please.
Thank you. Good afternoon, good evening. It is such a pleasure and such an honor to be a part of this with all of you here today. My name is Trish Christensen. I'm the president and CEO of the Modesto Chamber of Commerce. So in this moment, I wanted to recognize that this Golden Valley Health Center's theme for the year is powering communities through caring connections. So bringing the whole community here in this moment, it's recognized across that they're here to make a difference, whether it's physical, whether it's young, whether it's senior, whatever the walk of life. Golden Valley Health Centers has a unique ability to plant seeds in the pockets of our community that need it most and provide services that make a difference for all. So today, on Patient Appreciation Day of National Health Center Week, it is our privilege, and we're just so thankful to have you in our community to be a part of your grand opening of the Paradise Clinic. Congratulations.
Good afternoon, everybody. I don't know what else to say after all these words that you guys said, but I think it is a testament to what Golden Valley Health Center means to our community. If you look in this room right here, there's people outside. You guys truly are a blessing to our community. I know we've sent multiple people to your guys' facilities that are in need. Sometimes they don't have insurance, or they're in that lapse where it's not open enrollment. So I thank you guys for always taking care of our community no matter what, and also being a champion for both of our chambers and the surrounding ones as well too, because you guys are not here just in Modesto. You guys are throughout the other cities up and down the Central Valley. So on behalf of the Stanislaus Latino Chamber of Commerce, thank you guys for all that you do, and I can't wait to see everything else you guys are going to do. So congratulations.
little bit. Not on the face.
And one more right here, please. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Awesome, thank you.
Very important. You're going to see something very important.
If I can get your attention really quick. I always go off script with bakes, which makes Jamala and Amy super nervous. But if I can get Dr. Janinski, Adriana, Juana, Stephanie, Maribel up front, please. So these are the folks that do the real work. So I want to make sure you know who's who. So Adriana, raise your hand. So she manages this clinic, but don't forget, we did this clinic and the 3rd floor of McHenry the same day, which is our specialty care clinic, which Maribel, raise your hand, manages. And Stephanie was key in the whole transition. She's one of our, they're all of our shiny stars, but Stephanie's a superstar. And then Juana oversees this region operations, and Dr. Janinski is the clinical lead. So this is how Golden Valley is structured, and these folks do the real work. So I want to make sure they get credit where credit is due.
So don't forget that. Everyone can take pictures and we'll count for it and you guys can cut.
I will.
We're good. We're looking good.
Okay, on count of 3, you're gonna cut. 1, 2, 3.
Thank you so much, everyone.
You